really important, essential and crazy not to have safe walking and cycling routes connecting every community across Wales, and along every road there should be a safe way for people to travel.
But to make it easy for people, then that's got to be the main aim.
I want you to change people chopping down trees and using palm oil for all of this. Just find another ingredient.
I think sort of house insulation is quite important, because houses produce a lot of carbon dioxide, and a lot of houses are not very well insulated.
Overturn the planning and update the planning regulations so that we put climate change and the environment at the heart of all our planning decisions.
So we want governments across the world to engage with the community energy co-op sector. It's a sort of vibrant sector which has achieved a huge amount so far.
I want you to make a difference for children and help make our schools greener, so the children can get out there, explore and appreciate that children, the younger they are and they learn about nature and the environment, the message is going to get that out there to everybody, and we're all going to be able to make a change. So we need you to help us do that. So
instead of planting trees, keep the old ones. The Northern Meadows maybe, that's where I got into it, you know. They want to build a cancer centre there when they can build it somewhere else. You know, that's old trees. Over there, that's old trees.
I think you should prioritise opportunities for children and young people to travel actively to school and to travel actively wherever they want to.
As a trust port based in Pembrokeshire, what we need now is investment to realise the huge opportunity that the trust port and our collaboration can bring to the UK. Hydrogen and floating offshore wind is a huge opportunity for the local supply chain that we cannot miss.
I'm really passionate about green technology, but I want you to make it accessible to the community. And that's from addressing everything from price point all the way to insurance need for community car shares, as there's no insurance there. So if someone can't afford an electric car and we want to share it with them, we need insurance, please.
Ready when you are, 3, 2, 1.
I would say to Mr. Mark Drakeford that he's got a wonderful opportunity here to show that we in Wales have vision, that we can see the future and that we're preparing for it. And I would say, get people back on the land, Mark. Let's make it easy for people to get into horticulture. Let's make it easy for people to access land. And we'll show you what we can do. Don't waste the human resources.
And I guess my overall hope is that our leaders can look towards nature-based solutions to lots of our climate problems. I have a young child and I hope very much for that generation that they are as lucky as we have been, and that successive generations can benefit from what a wonderful world we live in.
And we also need to stop littering on the planet and in the sea. It's just not nice. No one wants to move to Mars, do they?
I think that polluting the environment is very silly because people know what they're doing, and it makes me a bit sad.